bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
A standard microwave draws about 1,000 to 1,200 watts. To stay safe, always plug it into a dedicated wall outlet designed for kitchen appliances. Avoid extension cords or power strips not rated for high-power devices to prevent overloads and hazards.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.